A very good morning to all. Hope you are safe at home, children. Okay. What we have learned in the last class? We have learned my home, isn't it? Lesson number 3. Okay. In this lesson, what are the topics we have learned, children? We learned about why do we need a house, isn't it? So about why do we need a house, and we saw about types of houses and difference between a home and a house that we saw in the last class, isn't it? Today we are going to recall that topic and we will move to the new topic about inside our home. Okay, children, what we have saw in last class, need for a house. Okay, why do we need a house, children? We need a house to sleep, to take rest, and we feel safe and comfortable inside our home, and also our house protect us from heat, rain, wind, and cold, isn't it? For this purpose we need a house, isn't it, children? We are all living in a home with our family one, isn't it, children? So we need a house for rest and sleep, and we feel safe and comfortable inside our home, and also what our house protects? Our house protects us from heat, rain, cold, and wind, isn't it? For that we need a home. And the next topic is about types of houses, isn't it? What is types of houses? We have many different types of houses. Some houses are small and some houses are very much big, isn't it? There are many different types of houses. Okay, some houses are small and some houses are big. So here houses are classified into two types. One is small houses and another one is big houses. Okay, small houses. Okay, some houses are very small and it is not very strong. Okay, it is made up of clay and straw. Such type of houses we call as small houses. Examples: huts, cottages, and igloos. Isn't it? This we have already learned in the last class about the small houses. Isn't it, children? And to move about to the big houses. Some houses are very big and it is very strong and it is made up of bricks, stones, and all, isn't it? So such type of houses we call as big houses. Example: bungalows and apartments. Okay, children? So we have learned this about in the last class itself, isn't it, children? About the types of houses, small house and big houses. Okay, next the new topic is about inside our home. Okay, now we are going to see about inside our home. What are all the rooms are inside in our home that we are going to see about it. Okay, shall we start to read it, children, by spelling out? Okay, children, see there, T-H-E-R-E, there, or A or E or M-A-N-Y, many rooms, or O-O-M-S, rooms, I-N eat our meals in the dining room. We all sit together with our family members and we all eat together only in the dining room. Okay, children. Next one is bedroom. Okay, bedroom. What we will do in the bedroom? We rest and sleep. Okay, we rest or rest, rest, and sleep, sleep in our bedroom. Isn't it, children? Yes, bedroom is the only place what we will do. We will take rest and we will sleep in our bedroom. Okay, next bathroom. Okay, BATH bathroom or OM bathroom. We wash. Okay, what we will do in the bathroom? We wash. WASH wash and bath. BATHE bath in the bathroom. We wash and bath in the bathroom. Okay, we wash our clothes. Whatever it is, what we will do? We will do in bathroom only and we will take bath in the bathroom. But the next one is, last one is what? Kitchen. Kitchen is a place what we will do. Kitchen is the place where we cook our food. Isn't it? Our parents used to cook our food where children in kitchen only. Isn't it? So these rooms are considered to be main important room in your house. Okay, what are the rooms that we have discussed here, children? We discuss about living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. Okay, living room is the main room in a house. We all sit together and talk to our guests. In the dining room, we eat our meals in the dining room. Bedroom, we rest and sleep in our bedroom. Bathroom, we wash and bath in the bathroom. And kitchen is a place where we cook our food. Okay, this is what our lesson is over, children, isn't it? What we have discussed in this lesson? We discussed about the need for a house and we discussed about the types of houses, small houses and large houses, and we discussed about inside our house. What are all the rooms we have inside our home that we have discussed in this lesson. Okay, and what is the assignment is? Already you have completed the words and book exercise in your book, isn't it? Today your assignment is you have to write question answers in your classwork note. Okay, what is the assignment? You have to write question answers in your classwork note, as well as you have to complete worksheets 1, 2 and 3 in your book. Okay, you have to write question answers in classwork and you have to complete worksheets in your book. You have one more activity, children. What means you have to complete integrated activity. It is in page number 51. Okay, now we are going to see how to write question answers in your classwork note. Okay, that means the classwork video. Okay, watch it, children. See, children. Now we are going to see how to write classwork. Okay, we are going to see how to write question answers in your classwork note. Already you have written Roman letter 1 keywords. 10 D words you have written in your classwork, isn't it? In lesson number 3. Okay, take a new page for question answer. Put Roman letter 2 question answers. Okay, Q bar A. Children, question answer number 1. First one, why do we need a house? Okay, why? W H Y. Why do? D O do we. W E we need. N E E D need a house. A house. H O U S E house. Why do we need a house? Okay, answer. We need a house to live. Okay, we. W E we need. N E need. Need. Yeah. House. H O U S E. House. Two. T O. To. Live. L I V E. Live. Okay, children, see. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live. Okay. Second one. Next line. What are the two different types of houses? Okay. What? W H A G. What are the A or E or the T H E the two T W O two different D I F F E R E N T different types T Y P E S types of houses H O U S E S houses. Okay, children, what are the two different types of houses? Okay, answer. What are the two different types of houses, children? Already we have saw in the last class, isn't it? Small house and big house, isn't it? Small house. S M A L N. Small house. H O S E. Small house. And A N D. And big house. B I G. Big house. H O U S E. Big house. Okay, children, we have completed two question answers, isn't it? Okay, you have to sharp your pencil always, children. You have to write. Okay, always sharp your pencil and write it. Okay, third one. Shall we see third one, children? See, third one. Write. W R I G E. Write. Any A N Y. Any three different D I F F E R E N G. Different rooms or O N S. Rooms in I and in yeah house. H O U S E. House. Okay, children, we have many different rooms in your house, isn't it? We have saw in the class. What are the rooms we have discussed in the class? Living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen, isn't it? But here we are asking that write any three different rooms in your house. Okay, and we can write any three rooms. Okay, the first one, living room. L I V I N G. Living room or O-O-M. Living room. Then dining room. D-I-N-I-N-G. N-G, dining room. Or O-N, living room, dining room, bedroom. Okay, see here you have no space. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to turn next page. Okay, have to turn next page and you can write here third one. Okay, third you can write bed. Okay children, see bedroom, B-E-D, bedroom. Or O-N, okay, bedroom. Okay children, what we saw today, we saw how to write 3 question answers, isn't it? Okay, see, I am going to repeat it again children. See, why do we need a house? We need a house to live. What are the 2 different types of houses? Small house and big house. The third one, write any 3 different rooms in a house. Okay, living room, dining room, and the third one is bedroom. Okay children, like this you have to complete in your class work. Complete question answers in your class work note. Okay children. Okay children, see, this is your another homework. Okay, activity. It is in a page number 51 in your book, integrated activity. What you have to do means you have to color this picture using your favorite colors. Okay, you have many favorite colors, isn't it? You have to color this house, stars, and here this fruits. Okay, you can color by using the favorite colors. Okay, and then what you have to do children, see here, what is the question they ask here? Identify the shapes that you see in the picture and write their names. Okay, see children, from this picture you can see various shapes, isn't it? What is the shape of this? Yes, what it is? It is a square shape, isn't it? And what is the shape of this? It is rectangle shapes. See, here also we have rectangle shape, isn't it? And what is the shape of this? It is triangle shape, isn't it? And what is the shape? It is circle. And tree also, here we have lot of circle shape fruits, isn't it? And also here we have star shapes, isn't it? So you have to write here shapes. Okay, what is the spelling for square children? Okay, here you have to write in your book children. I will show you how to write here. Okay, you have to write in your book. Okay, where you have to write in your book. Just I am showing you in your class work. This one you have to write in your book itself. Okay children, see, triangle. Okay, triangle. What is the spelling for triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. And what is the shape of square? Yes, U-A-R-E, square. And what is the shape of rectangle? Or E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. And then what is the shape of next? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Yes, I have said you the spelling for all the shapes. Triangle, rectangle, square and circle. This one where you have to write. You have to write this in your book here. Triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Here you have to write and you have to color this. This is your activity children. This one you have to complete in your book. You have 2 homeworks, isn't it? One you have to write question answers in your class work note, and another one also you have to complete worksheets. Okay, that is in your book. Worksheet 1, 2 and 3 that you have to complete in your book, and also you have this as a homework as an activity. Okay children, now we are going to see about rooms. Okay, about the picture of rooms inside our home. I have said you about the different rooms, isn't it? Living room, dining room, bedroom and all. That I am going to show you the picture. Okay? It's like an activity. Okay, children? Watch it, children. Okay, children. We are going to see about inside our home. Okay? There are many rooms in our home, isn't it? Each room has a different use. From this picture, what you can see, inside our home, we have many different rooms. Isn't it? What are the rooms we have? We have bedroom, living room, dining room, kitchen and bathroom, isn't it? We are going to see about every room. Okay, shall we see, children? Okay, children, see what room it is. It is a living room, isn't it? The living room is one of the main rooms in a house. We all sit together and talk to our guest. Where? In this living room only, isn't it, children? The living room is one of the main room in a house, and we all sit together and talk to our guest in this room. What room is the, children? See, here we have dining room, isn't it? What we will do? We eat our meals in the dining room only. We all sit together with our family members and we will eat our meals in the dining room. This is our dining room, children. Next, what room it is, children? It is a bedroom, isn't it? We rest and sleep in our bedroom. Mostly we used to take rest in our bedroom only, isn't it, children? Next, what room it is? It is a bathroom, isn't it? We wash and take bath in the bathroom. After we wake up, what we will do? We will brush our teeth and we will bath, isn't it? So, we wash and bath in the bathroom only. See what it is? It is a kitchen, isn't it? What our mother will do in the kitchen, children? Our mother will cook our food. Where? In the kitchen only, isn't it? So, kitchen is a place where we cook our food. Okay, children? So far what we have saw? We have saw about inside our home, isn't it? So, about living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. We saw many different rooms in our home. Okay, children? This is end of our lesson. Okay? You have to complete your homeworks. That means you have to write question answers in your classwork note, as well as you have to complete worksheets 1, 2 and 3 in your book, and you have to complete integrated activity, that is in page number 51. Okay, children? We will see in the next class, children. Thank you, children.